Okay, well, this will be the first sound test of this new setup. I don't know if it's going to be the smartest idea in the world to try and roll this thing out, and it's pretty icy. Just take it slow. If it doesn't work out, it doesn't work out. About to roll this thing outside.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Let me see.
Oh my god, let me finish tying my boot.
Are you gonna ride it?
No, fuck no. So I'm gonna run it for a minute. I just finished. I got my mic set up inside my helmet and I want to try it.
Oh my god, it's so pretty.
Isn't that beautiful?
You're so funny. I want to hear it. I just went to Double Shovel to get food. I was so hungry. And stood outside and had a cider. I haven't been drinking it.
Okay, well, don't judge me because I'm going to be recording it. Walking it up, getting B-roll. It's not going to have audio as I'm pulling it outside. Huh?
You're doing it outside?
Yeah.
So heavy.
It's 680 pounds.
Oh, this thing is awesome.
Thank you. Actually rolls pretty easy. Okay, once it's outside, I'm dedicated.
It's so big.
It's not little. Is it really? First day of spring, she says. My ass. I'll put it facing the fire station. Oh gosh. Whew. That worked out pretty well, honestly. Okay. Yeah. Man, it looks so good. The sun. Oh, let's see. What do you think of it?
I don't know anything about it.
Come look at the front. Alright. Gotta reset the clock.